How do I reset my Bloxburg game in 2020?
Hello, Bloxburg gamers. Have you ever been stuck in a game situation that you'd like to restart? Well, resetting your Bloxburg game is a straightforward process, and we're here to guide you through it. Today, we will discuss how to reset your game in Bloxburg.
What is Bloxburg?
Bloxburg is a popular role-playing game on Roblox where players can build houses, work jobs, and interact with other players. Sometimes, though, you might want to start over with a clean slate. That's where the game reset feature comes into play.
How to reset your character?
The first way to reset your game is by resetting your character. This might not fully reset your game, but it's the quickest way to respawn at your house if you're stuck somewhere. Here's how to do it. 1. Click the menu button in the top left corner of your screen. 2. Find and click on the Reset Character option. 3. Confirm the action by clicking Yes when a pop-up window appears. Please note, resetting your character will only reset your character's location and health. It will not affect your house, job, or other progress in the game.
How to reset your plot?
If you want to completely start over in Bloxburg by resetting your house or plot, you can do this too. 1. Click on the house icon on the right side of your screen. 2. Click the Manage All button in the top right corner of the pop-up window. 3. Find and click on the Bulldoze button. 4. Confirm the action by clicking Yes when a pop-up window appears. Please note, resetting your plot will completely remove your house and everything on your plot, but you will be refunded a portion of the cost of items and structures on your plot. This will not reset your character's job progress or any Bloxbucks you have earned. We hope this guide was helpful in explaining how to reset your Bloxburg game. Remember that resetting can be a great way to start fresh and experience a new gameplay style, but it should be done with consideration as you will lose certain aspects of your progress. Happy gaming, and we'll see you in Bloxburg.